Hi everyone.
Hello.
As usual, we are on a very nice walk and take you with us, and we hope you enjoy. Isn't it glorious today?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, fresh air.
Yeah, I really enjoy that. That's honestly, like last time we said, it's like the highlight of the day.
Yeah.
Look, there are donkeys. So cute. Hello, friends. How are you? Hello. And it's gone. Was it good? At least we got rid of an apple today, Jörg. And back home from our walk, we want to do some baking, especially because it's the weekend. And I don't know, I grew up with cake every weekend. My mom used to bake cake every Saturday so that we had cake on a Sunday.
Mine too.
Yeah, oh.
And we loved it.
Yeah, very much. And yeah, we want to do some cookies and so-called flapjacks. And I think some people, I remember last time some people asked us, what are flapjacks? Well, basically they are bars consisting of oats, I think butter, sugar and syrup. Is that correct, Jörg?
Yes.
Yeah. And the company Flour and White was so kind to send us some mixes, gluten-free mixes, because they saw that I have to eat gluten-free. And Jörg, I mean, you don't have to eat gluten-free, but whenever I bake or cook, I mean, you just eat it, because otherwise we would have to do the things twice.
And it doesn't make any sense.
No. And yeah, so let's see what they send us. So this is what we're trying now. Cookie mix, gluten-free of course, and the gluten-free flapjack mix. And they also send us a sponge and muffin mix, a pizza dough mix, a bread mix, and a chocolate fudge brownie mix. So lots of products, and that's great.
As I like it.
Please be serious.
No, I can't. Be serious.
Before we forget, this isn't a sponsored post or anything. Flour and White were just so kind to send us products to try.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
They just gave us some samples.
Yeah, so that's really, really nice. So, would you like to start with the cookie mix?
Yes.
Yeah?
I think that's the best.
Okay.
And I like cookies.
Yeah. Do you want to make the dough?
Yes, I want.
Okay. So it says here it's for 10 to 12 cookies, and you just need to add butter and eggs, and it seems to be quite easy. And hang on, it also says you can add chocolate chips or your favorite, what does it say? Cookie filling. So we just bought some chocolate chunks. So you just need to add 110 grams of soft butter and an egg. Or do you have to mix that one first? Okay. Yeah, okay.
You have to mix it until it looks like breadcrumbs.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now some chocolate chunks. Wrap in cling film, and that goes into the fridge for about 25 minutes. And now we are preparing the flapjacks. Do you
I love flapjacks.
Yeah, they are very, I don't know, filling, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are very good.
I love it.
Right. Place the mixture into a bowl. You can see the oats. Add 40 grams of water. And it says you can, what does it say? You can add chocolate chips, fruit or nuts into the mixture. And we decided to add currants and some chopped hazelnuts. By the way, I tried to trim Joerg's hair and, well, at first he was very reluctant and said, don't do it. But I don't know, what about you? Do you trim your husband's hair during lockdown? So what do you say about your hair?
Okay, we're fine. But, to be honest,
Mm-hmm.
we're now getting as I had them in the 80s, so that's fine.
Really?
Yes.
Can I be honest? I hated the hair in the 80s. Like, I mean that was before we met. They were too long. But, I don't know. How are you getting on with the dough?
That's good. Excellent. We're sticking together, that's really good.
And also I don't know, my hair gets very big and thick, so I have to use thinning scissors in between and also trim my fringe, which I always have to do because I usually go to the hairdresser every 5 weeks.
Yeah.
But if I wouldn't trim my fringe, in between it would be like this. So.
And otherwise she would look like a figure in an old German children's book, and it's called Struwwelpeter. And yeah, just look it up, because that's how she would look like.
I always say I look like a sheep. I have, maybe that's the reason why I'm so obsessed with sheep. I don't know. And we put the mixture into this small tray. Last time someone asked, where's your sink? It's over there. Now, what's next?
Cookies.
The cookies. And I'm doing it like this because I think that's easier. I'm going to use a cookie cutter like this. of dancing in between while the things are in the oven, just to pass the time. And a little update on our guest bedroom. Well, someone asked what the lights look like when they are on, and they look like this. We have 2. Yesterday, we added the ceiling rose, and you just have to see those Dalmatians. They are antique Staffordshire from the 19th century and are absolutely amazing, especially because Joerg had a Dalmatian in his 20s with his family and he adored his dog. And yeah, absolutely stunning. And if you'd like to know where we got their Dalmatians from, we are following Alice Naylor Leyland. Her Instagram page is called Mrs. Alice. I will link her down below. And she has a website as well. She's selling tableware, cutlery, glassware, and just last weekend she started an antique corner on her website as well and shared that on her Instagram stories. And then she sold antique Staffordshire figures, and then we spotted the Dalmatians, and yeah, we had to have them. Her style is amazing, and I love her interior so much. Yeah, I get a lot of inspiration from her, definitely. Also want to exchange the switches and sockets, and not only here, downstairs as well in the hallway, and we want to have like antique brass switches and sockets. It will look so much nicer, we think. They are huge. They are huge. Yeah, okay. And now the flapjacks. 4. How many are there? 4, 7, 12? I don't know.
No, I don't think so. That's 6, 11.
11. They're quite nice, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, in Germany, we don't have this kind of thing.
No, that's true, we don't.
I've never heard it before.
No, that's true. And now the moment of truth. Try a cookie. Makes a lot of noise. That's very nice with a cup of tea. Very nice. That was nice because it actually started raining. Like just the minute we sat at the table and having tea and, well, the cookies and flapjacks.
Yeah, so we're really lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the cookies are really good.
They are. And we think it's a nice option if you want to have something nice but not overcomplicated.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always worth a try.
Yeah, you've seen it. I can also do it.
Or you can do the most complicated things here. Remember the Battenberg cake?
Yeah.
You can do anything. And yeah, we hope you like this video and stay tuned for the live stream. We'll set that up. I hope that this, I don't know, we'll have to give that a try, Joerg. It will be
we'll see.
Something new and exciting.
Yeah.
So take care, guys.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.